Hello from the Canon Academy Homeschool. This particular video from my homeschool area, part 6 I believe, is going to be the inflatable globe versus the stand-up globe. As you can see, my stand-up globe is pretty high up on my shelf. It's gathering dust right now. It has rather fine print, so I'm not going to use that one too much until the two children I'm homeschooling are a little older. We are going to use this inflatable globe. With this inflatable globe, we can do all kinds of things. I mean, they do play ball with it, but we also talk about the North Pole and the South Pole. We talk about the different continents: Europe, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, and things like that. The printing is still small, but it's not as small as what's on my hardback globe. The children can actually hold this in their hands. We talk about the different oceans, the big major ones, and the seas: Indian Ocean, North Atlantic, the Pacific. We talk about islands. We talk about small countries. We talk about large countries. We talk about where we live, and we live in North America, and I will show them on the map where our state starts and things like that. We would talk about our neighbors. There is a compass rose on here. See if I can get a good shot of it. It only has the N for north, but we do talk about how it also means north, south, east, and west. We have talked about timelines and things like that. They're not quite old enough to go in depth with latitude and longitude, but they are on here. We did talk about time changes at the international state lines, and I lost the other one. And how it changes. We use this to talk about how when it's light on one side of the earth, it's nighttime on the other side, and how that changes as the earth revolves around the sun. We also talk about different languages and things that happen in different countries and things like that. Weather that they might have, is it similar to ours or different? We talk about the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere, the equator, and various different things. So as you see, for the younger children, you can have snippets of very small lessons and things, and believe me, they will come up with questions on their own. We did talk about how Santa lives at the North Pole and not the South Pole, and how much colder it is at the South Pole, and things like that. And as you can see, this video is only like 4 minutes so far, and I've already covered all of that. And if I was to break it down with the youngsters, I probably would have done that in like 5-minute segments in a way that they could understand it. And at some point we would have gotten out our maps and things like that and looked at them and stuff, which I will do the maps in the next segment because they are kind of scattered all over the place, and I have several different kinds. So if you like this, found it interesting, and you can use the information in it as a way to teach your youngsters, then please like and subscribe below. It doesn't cost anything to do that. If you want to know when my next video comes out, hit the little bell and stuff. Otherwise, have a good day, and see you next time on the Canon Academy Homeschool. Thank you. Bye.